off the shoulder a little bit.
I wake up every morning in a big warm bed with the sound of his sighs spinning in my head. And I look at him with sleep.
Y'all, my essentials package is here. Hey! I want to change up the vibe some, but it's not working in here, so I'm gonna put y'all back in my sneaker room and we go try the stuff on. I'm excited. Okay, first of all, the box is not big as hell, but it's big enough. Okay, I'm gonna try my best not to get no makeup on here because I ain't got no time. Oh, bitch. It's the oatmeal for me. Oh, this is real warm. It's fleece lined. I got everything basically in an XL because, you know, your girl is plus size. And I wanted things to be fitting comfortably. Excuse my hair. I gotta like zhuzh it up some, but baby, I like your style. The elastic band right there is real cute, you know what I'm saying? Oh, it gives just a cute little like baggy vibe. Oh, I'm loving this. Oh, I'm loving this. I zipped it up, but I don't want to get no makeup on it. Oh, I'm loving this. I love how the elastic band sits right here and it like flows over and the zip don't go all the way to the top. Oh, I'm a cool kid now. Oh wow, yeah, this is a vibe. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. Oh, baby. What do I have next? These might be the pants. Hold on. Oh my god. Oh my god. Girl. It's the little essentials thing right here for me. I like that. And these like super long strings. Come on. Jerry. Oh, bitch. First of all, it's the comfort. Bitch, these are so soft and warm. Oh my gosh. Oh my god. Who you know? Who you know that's giving you pants like this? Who? Who you know? Oh, I got shorts too. I forgot. Wait a minute, bitch. Oh, bitch. Come on. Let the thighs don't fail me now. The shorts. I don't know, dog. I don't know. I mean, looking at it, the shorts look cute. And I like how they feel when I touch them. I like that my stomach is flushed, I guess. Not that I hate the shorts. I'm not a big fan of them. First of all, they're not flattering on my booty at all. I had some difficulty getting these things up, like pulling them up Anyways, I had some trouble pulling them up. They're like, I don't know if you can see, but on my thighs, they're like really pushing in. And I guess this is to make sure that they don't ride up, which is nice, I suppose. But baby, I need my shorts to like be able to pull up. I mean, I don't think I'm allowed to return anything, to be completely honest, but I do wish these fit just a little bit differently. I wish it was easier to like put them on, but looking at them on me, like this area right here is more flush than a pair of biker shorts I would get from like Forever 21 or something. So yeah, it's cool, I guess. Still got a fupa, but your man don't complain. Period. Last item. I was really debating on getting this coat because I was like, and then see the shorts just rolling down. Like, where's the security? Jerry, if you gonna have biker shorts for women, I need these not to roll down. Okay? I was hesitant about this coat because it is starting to get warmer in Chicago. And for the price point, I was like, is it a waste of money? But then I realized Chicago be having 9 months of winter. The thing is, I know this is probably gonna be a little long on me because I'm only 5'3", and I think the model was 6'2" from what I read in the thing. Oh, but baby, look. Did you see this coat? It's a vibe. What? This jacket is a vibe. Bit, and then wait, look, wait. Look, when I pull it up, have it above my bum, you know what I'm saying? Look. Give it like a little feminine feel, fold that under. Look at that back view. Look at that back view. Puffy realness, bitch. Oh, bitch. Oh, bitch.
Boy, if you don't get...
You can't tell me he's not giving you a vibe. This coat is everything. Periana. I love it. Even like off the shoulder a little bit. So yeah, that completes my haul. I hope you enjoyed it. Sorry if I was a little too animated. I'm just really excited because I've been trying to get things from Essentials for the longest time, bro. I'm just really happy that I finally got my hands on a few items from Mr. Lorenzo, and I'm in love. The shorts need a little work, but it's okay. We gonna make it work. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.